Hi everybody, this is Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to upload images directly into a customer's account for them, which is ideal for if you do any kind of film or slide scanning or print or restoration work. So in my lab, first you'll need to find the customer, which you can do under the Customers tab here and search for their email or first name, last name, and click into the customer. Now, if they don't have an account, you want to create one for them first, just through the front end of your website by clicking Join. So once you've found them, you want to click the Membership tab and log in as the customer. This is nice because it puts you directly into their photos section, which is where you need to be to upload. You'll create a collection and then upload into it. So I'm going to create a new collection, and I would standardize, what your lab calls this, and probably add a description, date, something like that. And then you want to upload pictures just as customers normally do on your Photo Finale site. Find and upload your pictures. I definitely recommend keeping the original size so they have the biggest size to work with. And then the pictures are there and ready for them to order. And when they log into their account, they'll see this new collection there and be able to order. There are a few things you can direct them to make it a little bit easier. The first one is if they want to download these pictures, which they might want to keep them on their hard drive or something, and you can do that. If you click the image and then click download, it'll open it in a new tab. If they select all of them and click download, it packages them into a zip and they can download the zip to their computer. Another way you can get to that zip is by clicking the collection settings, and they have a link to that zip right here. While we're in here, this is a good way for you to deliver and tell them that the pictures are ready. You can either go under privacy and sharing here and copy this link and send it to them, and they'll be able to be linked directly into this collection. Or you can click this the share collection button, and this uses your the email that's set up in Lab 50, the email trigger for sharing a collection. And the customers can share collections with friends this way too. So that email is kind of generic, someone wants you to see their photos kind of thing. So just keep that in mind if you use this method to share out the pictures, that it's sort of a consumer package for it. And that's it. While I'm on this screen, I'll just point out one feature that we just recently added to Photo Finale, which is this thumb, minus, and plus button. So it just lets you zoom in without clicking through each picture. You can see a bigger version of it, which is really helpful. That's all for uploading. If you have any questions, please let us know. You can find us at support@photofinale.com. Thank you.